Sharma from Team BSK. We are glad to be part of this fundraising event, Independence Cup 2021, organized by ICCB. It's a very good initiative. Thank you.
Hello, this is Vivek speaking on behalf of Team DCB. First of all, we would want to extend our gratitude to ICCB for organizing this cricket tournament as a fundraiser for Belgium flood relief and also giving us an opportunity to be a part of this event. We also appreciate the efforts and generosity of all the teams participating in this tournament for standing in solidarity to make a positive difference in this difficult time.
Hello, this is Raghav here from Team Incredibles. First of all, we would like to thank the team ICCB for this wonderful initiative of generating funds for the Belgium flood relief. So Team Incredibles is really excited to be a part of this, and we are looking forward to the tournament. Congratulations to the team ICCB. Thank you.
No doubt that these are difficult times for all of us, but ICCB, I congratulate you, we all congratulate you for having such a concern that you conduct a tournament, a cricket tournament, a game that we all love, to raise fund for all the people who are affected by the terrible floods in Belgium. So once again, from the cricket fraternity, I would like to congratulate you once again. And this is JD from Mystery 11. Bye-bye.
Hi, this is Milan and I'm representing the Kerala Blasters B team. And we are taking part in this tournament to help the victims of recent floods in Belgium. Thank you.
Hello guys, this is Dilip. I'm the captain of McLean Blaster A, and we are going to participate in Independence Cup, which is organized by ICCB team, and we are raising fund for flood relief organizations. So I think this is a very good initiative. Hopefully we'll enjoy this tournament. See you soon guys. Bye bye.
Hello Belgium, this is Saravanan. I represent Hala cricket team. We are participating this year's Independence Day Cup 2021. So we are doing our bit to contribute for Belgium's flood relief, which was very much worstly affected this year. So we are doing our bit. Thank you.
This is Venkat from Incredibles team. We are participating in Independence Cup tournament, which is conducted by the ICCB team for raising the funds for Belgium flood relief team. So we are happy to part of the good initiative. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Shravan, representing the team Lagan Boys in the upcoming Independence Cup tournament, and we are very thankful for the ICCB club for organizing this tournament and taking this initiative for raising the funds for flood relief organizations in Belgium. And we wish all the best for the teams which are competing in this tournament. Cheers guys, good luck.
Hi, this is Nagendra representing Ever Indians team. First of all, I would like to appreciate all the efforts from ICCB in order to conduct this tournament for a very good cause in order to generate the funds towards Belgium flood relief. And I wish all the best for all the teams who are going to participate in this tournament, and we are very excited. And finally, I would like to thank all my team members for their great support. Thank you very much.